Welcome to Chosen Store YouTube channel. This is Fauzi. Here is light protein purple. But before getting into this product, let me tell you what is exfoliation. Exfoliation means removal of dead cells from the skin surface. When it comes to exfoliation, we do rubbing and scrubbing to our skin to remove the dead cells. But it damages our skin a lot. Instead, try chemical exfoliation. So it contains two active ingredients, salicylic acid and Brazilian purple clay. Salicylic acid reduces the pore size and acne and improves the skin tone and texture. And also Brazilian purple clay, it absorbs sebum and gives you instant glow to your skin. You can use it once or twice weekly, preferably on the evening or night time. And don't forget to use a sunscreen during daytime. Do purchase these products from Chosen Store and share your feedbacks in comment section. Like, share and subscribe Chosen Store YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.